Today we are taking a full tour of the newly opened Grand Swiss Hotel in Anambra State. And guess what? This massive 160-room luxury hotel isn't sitting in Awka or any major street or any major city in Anambra State. Guess where this massive hotel is located? It's right inside Agolu, a village in Anambra State. Of all the places in Anambra, I mean, just take a look at this place. This isn't your regular hotel, I tell you. It's gigantic, it's beautiful, and it's got an international standard vibe, and it was built by Chief Romanus Ugochukwu Orji. Which is to say, this hotel is private owned. Initially, I was thinking it was a government project, but no, it isn't. Now, here's the interesting part. Governor Charles Soludo came through to commission the hotel, as you all can see, and as expected, people had a lot to say. There is always that part where people would always say something. People would always disagree. Some are clapping hands for Soludo for encouraging Ndi Anambra to invest at home, while others are dragging him for always commissioning private projects instead of focusing on his own government-led development.
The glory of God, we're commissioning this 160-bed hotel, which is as an epitome, a center of hospitality, tourism in Anambra State. And to the glory of God, in Jesus' name we commission them. I'm
telling you that I'm starting up a 5-star hospital in the next 1 month.
Anambra Kachano.
I don't want to guess. Madonna when all over. Then I go. If we go to carry more than 100. Okay, about direct jobs. We work with the indirect jobs. But this hotel itself, in terms of the cumulative effect that this community and the economy of Anambra is much more than many people can even visualize now.
Check out these comments popping up on the screen. Ex-users having one or two things to say about this. One person is saying enough of the hotels, Ndi Anambra need more schools and hospitals. And another one is like, Soludo should focus on his own projects instead of cutting ribbons for private investors every now and then. But honestly, at the end of the day, this is still a huge investment, right? That will create jobs, attract tourism, and put Agolu on the map. Even the governor said it himself. This hotel will employ more than 100 workers. So what do you guys think? Do we really need luxurious hotels like this one, or should investment be going into other sectors like education and healthcare? Drop your thoughts in the comments.